Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Xfinity Wi-Fi box orange light. Here is the guide. If your Xfinity Wi-Fi box is blinking orange, it usually means the modem and router is having trouble connecting to the internet or updating its firmware. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. First, check if it's a firm or update. Blinking orange can mean your modem is updating. Here is the solution. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes without plugging. If the light stays orange longer than 15 minutes, move to the next steps. So the next steps is restart or power cycle your modem. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. Here is the steps how you can just restart your modem. Unplug the power cable from the modem or router, then wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in. Wait for it fully reboot. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Light should turn solid white or green when back online. Now if you are facing this if you are facing this issue, then you can check for service outages in your area. Maybe it's not your modem, it's Xfinity. So open your Xfinity app or visit www.xfinity.com/support/status. Enter your address and check for outages. If there's an outage, you will have to wait for Xfinity to fix it. Now check all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables can cause this issue. What to check? Coaxial cable from wall to modem. Tighten it. Then Ethernet cables. Reset for them properly, and the power code. Ensure it's secure. Now the step 5 is reset your Xfinity modem to factory settings. If nothing works, try a reset. Warning is this will erase Wi-Fi names and password. Here is the steps how you can just reset. Look for a small reset button or hole on your modem. Use a pin or paper clip to hold the button for 30 seconds. Release it, wait for the modem to reboot. Now the last step is contact Xfinity support. If the orange light stays on, call 1-800-Xfinity. This is the number you can follow, that 934 or 6489, or use their live chat. You can just go to the www.xfinity.com/support/contact us, and you will find the live chat option that you can just connect with a representative from Xfinity. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.